Yes, all baby teeth fall out. Hi, this is Dr. Vladan Stojanovic, your everyday dentist, and welcome to today's video. Yes, we are supposed to lose all our baby teeth by the age of 12. For most kids, it's even before that. If you are older than 12 watching this video, or your kid is older than 12 and still has one or more of his baby teeth, you should definitely go and see the dentist. Your dentist will do an examination and most definitely do an x-ray to find out what's the reason. It's nothing to be alarmed about, but we will want to find out why this is happening and address it sooner rather than later. Some kids just have their baby teeth fall out later in life. If that's the case, they will fall out a few months or a year later and everything will be alright. On the other hand, you might have a missing permanent tooth. If that's the case, the permanent tooth is not resorbing the root of the primary tooth and it's not getting replaced, it's not falling out. The most common teeth that are missing are lateral incisors and second bicuspids. You might have an impacted tooth, most commonly a canine. A canine is a large tooth and in this case it's either in the wrong place or it doesn't have a room to grow out, since in the case of the upper teeth especially, it's the last tooth that grows out. So if all the other space has already been used for placing the rest of the teeth, there is no room for the last tooth remaining, the canine. There are several other cases, for example ankylosis. Ankylosis is a condition where the root has fused with the bone. In that case, it's hard for us to move the tooth at all. After diagnosis, we can plan the treatment. So why is this a problem? Usually it doesn't even bother you. You have a baby tooth in your mouth. It's not hurting you, it's not doing anything. It's just there, it looks a bit weird, but it's fine. It doesn't bother you at all. However, it can't stay there forever. Eventually, it will fall out. The baby tooth is not meant to stay in your mouth forever. After diagnosing the problem, we will want to fix this sooner rather than later. You will want to fix this sooner rather than later. Just ask yourself, would you rather be without a tooth at the age of 13 or at the age of 23? I thought so. This was Dr. Vladan Stojanovic, your everyday dentist, and I will see you in the next video.